and welcome to Dollars and Cents Online. My name is Ashley, and today we will be talking about how to get a Google Home Mini for 99 cents. And this offer ends December 31st. So if you're interested in this, please go ahead and take advantage of this as soon as possible. But the way that you get it is you have to go to Spotify.com, go down until you see the get 3 months of premium for 99 cents, only $9.99 a month after, cancel anytime. Offer is not available to users who already have tried premium. So if you've already used your email to try premium, this will not work for you. You need to have a fresh email that you have not used for Spotify. The offer ends December 31st, like I said. So you click on Get Premium. If you scroll down, it says Get a Google Home Mini with Premium for Family, just $14.99 a month. Premium for up to 6 people residing at the same address. 1 device per primary account holder while supplies last. So when you sign up right here to get 3 months of premium for 99 cents, after you sign up, upgrade to Premium for Family, and then you will receive an email saying that you're going to get a Google Home Mini because you upgraded to Premium for Family. It will ask for your credit card information when you get ready to upgrade to the Premium for Family, but you will not be charged because you're in your 99 cents a month trial at the time that you sign up. So you, in essence, will get the Google Home Mini for 99 cents. So I just wanted to share with you all how to be able to do that because I did post it on my page, but I wanted to kind of give you a look at what I was talking about so that you can know specifically where to go. If you do choose to go ahead and keep the premium, these are some of the things that you'll be able to do. You'll be able to download music and listen anywhere, listen without ads. You can play any song, even on mobile, and you will have unlimited skips. You'll be able to shuffle the songs as well, listen offline, which is the part where I said download the tracks. And it will be high quality audio. So these are all the things that you'll be able to get if you're a music lover and would like to go ahead and continue with the trials. There is no obligation. You do not have to continue. You're going to be getting the 3 months of premium for 99 cents. You can stop it after the 3 months if you would like, or you can continue on, or actually you'll be signed up for the Premium for Family, so you will be paying $14.99 a month after those 3 months. So if you want to continue to do that, you can do so. If you want to downgrade back down to the $9.99, you can do that as well. These are just your options. I'm just letting you know how you can get a Google Home Mini for 99 cents by signing up for Spotify. So let's go ahead and click the Get Premium. And I'm going to go to don't have an account, sign up for Spotify. That's the only way that this will work for you. And put in your email, a password, what you want them to call you, your birthday, your gender, and verify that you're not a robot. Then it will take you to this screen where it says you're going to start your 3 months of premium for 99 cents, only $9.99 a month after, plus tax. You can cancel anytime, like I told you before. And they say offer terms apply that you can look at and see. It lets you know, once again, you won't have any ads. You can listen to music offline and you can skip as many songs as you want. You have the option to sign up with a card or you can sign up with PayPal. I'm going to go ahead and click continue to be able to pay with PayPal. Sign into your PayPal account. Click continue. Agree and pay. Okay, and then it will let you know that your premium now, your purchase is complete, and that a receipt for your order number will be sent to your email. You can start to listen right then. Once again, it reiterates the things that you're able to get with premium. But let's go over to upgrade at the top right of the screen. Let's go ahead and click learn more where it says get a Google Home Mini with the Premium for Family. Also, it's important to notice that they say devices must be redeemed by January 15th of next year. So make sure that you get your device before then. But I'm going to go ahead and click get started to sign up for the Premium for Family. When you're going to want to pay for the Premium for Family, you can still pay with a credit card or a debit card, or you can pay with your PayPal account. It says by purchasing, you authorize Spotify to automatically charge you $14.99 plus any applicable tax each month until you cancel it. The price changes will notify you beforehand. You can check your renewal date or cancel anytime on the account page. No partial refunds. Family plan terms apply. You agree to only invite people who live at your same address to use this service, which, like they said before, 6 people can use it. So I'm going to go ahead and click start my premium for family. I should not be charged again because I'm in my 99 cents for 3 months trial period. It says taking you to complete your purchase. Going to take me back to PayPal. You agree and continue. Okay, then you've already signed up for it. So now your purchase is complete. You get a receipt for your order number to your email. You can go ahead and start inviting your family to use the family plan if you plan on going ahead and utilizing this. Now it says your plan includes a Google Home Mini that they'll send you an email to your email address so you can claim your device. And they've already emailed me, so I'm going to go ahead and go over to my email account. The email is titled Your Google Home Mini is now available. Your Google Home Mini awaits. It says, thanks for reserving your Google Home Mini. Your device is now available. You can go ahead and click Get It Now. Once you do that, it takes you back to Spotify. It says, just one more step. Please verify that you're not a robot. Once you do that, you'll be able to click Continue. It says your device is now available, taking you to the Google Store. Your discount will be automatically applied at checkout. So once you're taken to this, you will have 3 options: the coral charcoal or chalk color of the Google Home Mini. The coral is out of stock right now, so you only have a choice between the charcoal and the chalk. I'm going to get the chalk, add it to cart. You can add a personalized gift message if you would like. Otherwise, let's go ahead and go to checkout. As you can see, it says reward save on Google Home Mini, and it's discounting it $49, which is the price of the Google Home Mini. Select your correct address. If the correct address is not shown, it tells you that the shipping is going to be $0 and delivery will be between December 27th to the 31st. Even though you're getting it for free, they still want you to put in your credit or debit card information. Or if you click that drop down, you can add Google Store financing card or add PayPal. I'm going to do PayPal because I'm not going to get my card out and fill out all the information. PayPal is very convenient for that. You don't need a promo code. You're getting it for free. So it's already added on here to save on the Google Home Mini. You can see once again the subtotal is $49. You're getting a discount of $49. The shipping is the saver shipping, which is $0. So in total you're paying $0. By clicking confirm purchase, you agree to the device terms of sale. You can click for Google to send you store special offers and newsworthy updates. I'm not going to do that, so you can unclick that if you don't want it. By continuing, you agree to terms of service and privacy notice, and will use your Google Payments account to make this purchase. So go ahead and confirm your purchase. Then it will say thanks and have your name. It will say we've received your Google Store order and we'll send more details to your email address. If you have any questions in the meantime, you can contact them, and they have a link right here that will take you to where you can contact them. It will give you the details with your order number, who you purchased it from, who it's being shipped to, the payment method, and once again the breakdown of the pricing. You can view or edit your order, and you will be able to see, if you scroll down a little bit further, what is being sent to you, when it will be delivered, and how much it originally cost in the quantity that you ordered. So that is the process for signing up for the 99 cents for 3 months Spotify and upgrading to the family plan in order to be able to get your free Google Home Mini. Now, I probably would wait until I received my Google Home Mini before I went ahead and canceled any kind of memberships. If you choose to do that, or if you continue to go further with it, then I hope you enjoy Spotify, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Once again, my name is Ashley, and you've been listening to Dollars and Cents Online, and I will see you all in the next video.